Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Hobonichi weeks for the week of February 3rd through 9th, and I am using stickers from According to Allie. I'm using her vintage romance stickers. And wait, she has quotes that go with these. Let me see if I can grab them while we're here. There we go. So we also have the vintage romance quotes to go with it. So I'll be using these today. And what I'll also be using in terms of my pens, I'll be using my Just Turnings Aussie Abalone. This has Sailor Ink Studio 280. And then my Winter Sunrise pen, my Leonardo Memento Zero. This is currently inked with Diamine Cashmere Rose. And I think the two inks will be a perfect match for this sticker collection. Let's get started. First thing I want to do is figure out, no, before I do that, hold on, where is my other pen? I am very, very organized today. So I'm just going to take my Pilot Vanishing Point here, and this has Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi in here. So I just actually got this pen, was it last week? And I just wanted a vanishing point in a fine nib with Pilot Iroshizuku Takesumi in it. I just wanted a black ink, a pen with black ink in there, as just something that could be my planner pen. And when I say planner pen, I mean it's going to be the one that I pull out to add in anything extra, I guess. Okay, so I've split up my columns into 3, and if you've never used the Hobonichi weeks before and you're discovering this now, you'll see tiny little dots here that you can use to help space out your columns if you do that. What's next? Gosh, I'm lost already. Then I'm gonna put some of these stickers down. I think I'm gonna put down the letters down here. And yep, and then I feel like I should have covered that. And is it too late to go in and cover that now? No, I can cover it. I can cover it. This is wiper cream tape. A friend of, or yeah, somebody that I know got this for me from paper. Oh, now I can't even remember the place. It was a place in Toronto, but I believe that you can probably get this cream whiteout tape. Anyway, I'm gonna have to search on Amazon for that. Then I'm going to put down, let's see what would go in. Well, here, see, we've got a fountain pen. Oh, and I'm gonna move that one over just a little bit. And then, of course, little chocolates. Perfect. Then I want to actually put the bigger sticker up towards the top, because last week's was in the middle. So I want to put this one towards the top. And the reason that I do that, or I change where I put the stickers, is because I don't want the bulk of the stickers to just be in one spot. I have learned over the years of using this that if I keep placing the stickers in the same spot, and I will with the bottom for sure, but if I keep placing the stickers in the same spot, then the bulk just ends up in that spot and it makes it hard to write in any other place. So let's see here. I'm gonna just keep things simple here. I don't want to add too much, because knowing me, I'll just end up confusing myself if I add too much. Yeah, right there's good. Then place this here, because I know there's normally not a lot on my to-do list on the Friday. Then let's see. I would like a quote somewhere, just which one. And I love how, if you look up close here, you can see that Allie's actually typed out words. And is that for song? Truth is so great that I wouldn't like to speak or sleep. I think they're song lyrics, but I'm not sure. Okay, then let's place, let's do this. Let's place one of these hearts down here at the bottom, but I'm going to white this area out. Oops. So this week I'm putting the stickers on the outsides. So rather than in the middle, I'm putting them on the edges so that, oh, am I? Oh, I thought I was out. So that the writing is mostly going to be in the middle. And I'm going to place the heart like this, and then grab one of the quotes. My heart is and always will be yours, Jane Austen. I don't think that one will fit. That one's too big. That one's too big. What about this one? Whatever our souls are. I think I'm going to go with the first one. I used a quote from According to Allie last week as well. And I think it just goes so well here. Lovely. And I'm glad I actually covered that up. Pretty. Okay. So I know it's very simple, and I do want to just keep it simple because I don't need it to be crazy. So my work schedule for the week, oops, always have blotting paper nearby because I don't want the oils or the lotion on my skin to get on the paper. So my work schedule, you know, it's not like I've done this every week and forget what it is. But my work schedule is different on Thursday this week because my daughter and I have a dentist appointment. And now I actually have to double check what that schedule is. Hold on. Okay, so Thursday is, yeah, a weird one due to a dentist appointment. And then Friday, perfect. And then Saturday, Henry swimming. And then Sunday, Henry has badminton, and he's really, really enjoying both. Okay. And then I know I have 2 appointments as well on Saturday. I have a manicure and then a massage right after, which worked out really well. Oh, I'm really loving that Sailor Ink Studio 280. Okay, so 1 o'clock manicure. And then immediately after is massage. The timing of that just worked out so well. And then Thursday, 2:30, dentist. Perfect. Oh, I'm loving the colors of the ink with that so far. Really, really pretty. Then going in, and I'm going to write in my to-do list for each day, and I'm going to do that with this pen here. Oh, I'm still in awe that I have this pen in my hand. So then I'll do the meal planning. I know meal plan is 2 words. Then order groceries. The nib on this is so soft. And then I have to paint 1 collection. Okay. Then Tuesday, need to put out garbage. Oh, there's Lucy barking. Don't know if you can hear her. Put out garbage. What am I forgetting? Oh, it is also my aunt's birthday that day. Put out garbage. Lucy is very distracting. Put out garbage. I will paint 1 more collection that day as well. Okay, Wednesday, nothing on the to-do list really. Although I may have to, oh, and I have an appointment on Monday, just remembered. So 6 o'clock. Okay, then Thursday, not sure yet. Hold on. Okay, so other to-do list things that I need to remember. I know I'm gonna have to fold laundry one of these days. Oh, I know that I'm also going to have to film my video that's coming out Thursday, which I actually might film today. So we will see. Then videos for next weekend. This is the way my brain works. I'm like, what videos have to be done for next weekend? I think one of them's already done. I just need to film the other one. So I will need to, yeah, the only day I'll probably be able to do is Friday. So film, inks from K, and then I'll have to edit and upload that. Okay, and then we have a break from cleaning on Saturday because we have the cleaner coming next week. And then Sunday, nothing on the to-do list yet. Okay, so now I'm actually going to look at our weather for this next week. The weather for this next week is going to be very cold, not fun at all. So where is my stamp here? This stamp is from AliExpress, and I actually like it. Even though the colors don't match necessarily, I actually really like it. So let's move this here. And Monday is going to be, well, tomorrow is going to be sun and cloud. So I'm going to do the sun and then the cloud on top. I'm not great with centering these yet. I'm working on it. But yeah, it's cloudy for most of the week, and then we get the occasional sun. But I really like using this. I think it's just a fun little touch to the overall planner setup if you have like cute stamps like this. I would have loved it if they were in black and white, but, or just black ink, sorry, but still cute. And actually, the green isn't too bad of a match for the green in here. So now I'm gonna put the weather actually in the blank ink here. So tomorrow, it's gonna be lovely with a high of -24 Celsius and a low of -31 Celsius. So balmy. And then Tuesday, a low of -23 Celsius. Or sorry, a high of -23 Celsius and a low of -31 Celsius. And then it feels pretty much the same for the rest of the week. And I'm laughing because, I mean, like, if you can't laugh about this, like, what else are you gonna do? Ooh, on Thursday, it goes up to as high as -10. At that point, there's gonna be people here wearing shorts when they go outside. And I'm honestly not kidding. Then Friday is a high of -13 Celsius with a low of -22, and then it seems to do that for the rest of the weekend, which I am okay with because I thankfully work from home. I do not have to drive anywhere. My husband has to drive into work, and then my kids actually take the bus to school. At this weather, they're not going to have outdoor recess or anything like that. It's just going to be, they're gonna have indoor recess really for most of this week, which I feel bad for the kids and the teachers because that means just a lot of indoor time for everyone and a little bit of sun on Sunday. Okay, so let me put this away. Oh, I'm gonna have a sneezing fit here. Then let's put in my, do the other one here. We'll do my sleep score graph. And I like keeping track of this, even though I'm not great about tracking my habits. The fact that I can see it on this page is good for me. And I feel like that's also a thing that I have to work on is I need a habit tracker for tracking whether or not I track my habits, if that makes sense. Workouts. Okay. Oh, I love being able to use these 2 pens for this week. Okay, and then the one down here will be habits. Okay, so we'll just do this. And then what I'm trying to do better this week, or just in general, is listening to my audiobook every day. I am doing my vitamins every day, or trying to. My nighttime routine. And then no stationery spend. And then I'm going to try and read 10 minutes, for 10 minutes every night before bed. 10 minutes or 10 pages. Maybe it's easier if I just say 10 pages. Okay, and then we'll do the days of the week up here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Perfect. And then down here, I can put tasks. So anything I do need to remember this week. And I feel like it looks just a little lonely like that, so I might just underline it. Yeah, okay. All right, I think that's it. This is why I like decorating in the weeks, although when you see the full plan with me video, it's anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes long, but I like it because I can see everything. It doesn't feel overwhelming to decorate, but it also doesn't feel overwhelming in terms of the amount of space I have to fill. And I'm okay with, you know, white space here because I can add stickers to that. I might actually do that. Where are my tweezers? Add some stickers here, maybe. Oh yeah, that'll look good there. Oh, I want the letter. Yeah. Yeah, even if I add that here, I'll still have enough room to track my habits, and that won't get in the way of the graph. And then if there's anything smaller I want to add in here, maybe I could, but I think there's enough stickers here. I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, so let's tidy up, because this is the thing with Plan With Me videos, is that you don't see the mess that occurs outside of the camera. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like these stickers, these are from According to Ali, and I have an affiliate link down in the description below. All right, thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.